Rob Frazier here. So, wanted to talk about a strategy that I'm using with the L7 trading platform. Um, and these strategies is basically what has kept me in the game when programs gone out of business, stopped paying, changed the comp plan, all that kind of stuff. Having a plan to, number one, keep buying traffic. Number two, keep growing my own personal trading accounts. And number three, pay myself in the process and also pay for my marketing system, autoresponders, tools, just different things like that. So what I suggest doing, especially with L7, and I think I will entitle this video Brooke Man Bitcoin Trading Plan as well. I've had that plan for a while, and funny thing is, it's the plan that I still follow. You know, I tell folks, look, if you were just starting out, you wanted to learn how to make money online, you wanted to learn how to trade, but you don't have a lot of money to get started, this is the plan to follow, and that's why I call it the Brooke Man Bitcoin Trading Plan. I may change it down the road, I don't know, but this is the plan that has kept me in the business, kept the income coming in, and again, it's the same plan that I follow. I think I beat that dead horse to death already. But here we go. With L7, and I'm not going to talk about how the programs work. I'm just going to talk about the structure and what I'm doing. What I suggest for people to do is work your way up to a place to where you have 0.3 Bitcoin. And this is supposed to be a 3, and it's not working out too well. But you get the idea. You work your way up to you have at least 0.3 in your Bitcoin trading account. Now, you can trade with other coins, but in this example and video and everything, I'm just going to talk about Bitcoin, because that's what I mainly trade in. So 0.3, I think it's around, I think $3,000-ish, give or take. Right now, it's going up, but give or take. Work your way up to 0.3 Bitcoin and just leave it there, because that's what I'm doing. I work my account up to a certain level, and then every single day I just withdraw everything off the top. Come in, withdraw everything off the top, anything above 0.3 Bitcoin. I may increase that number over time. I don't know. But the strategy that I mainly follow, and I've done this strategy in other types of revenue sharing businesses, that you work your way up to a certain amount that's inside the business per se, or in the exchange, and then you start just withdrawing. Well, where does that money you withdraw go? It goes to a number of places. In this case, I use it to pay for my iCoin Pro membership. Why join iCoin Pro? Because for people who have no clue about Bitcoin, what it is, how to get a wallet, where to start, what is blockchain, iCoin Pro answers all of that, and iCoin Pro teaches a way to trade Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies on a daily basis to earn profit. And I will also say, disclaimer, you have to follow the training, you have to get plugged in. This is an instructional company right here. There are some folks I know personally who have started trading with $100 and are now earning over 4 figures a week trading cryptocurrencies from the stuff they learned inside this company. So what I would do, get active in L7, work your account up to a certain amount, and then utilize some of your profits to educate yourself so you can learn how to trade yourself, which is, you trade yourself in L7, however, the company has a little bit more control over your crypto once you execute a trade. With iCoin Pro, you'll learn how to trade yourself, but again, everything is always subject to risks. Not all, even Coinbase or Bitfinex or Bittrex or all of these other exchanges, there's always risks associated with them. And that's why I follow this plan, and that's why I do business the way I do. So I don't have everything in one basket. I have multiple trading accounts. I have multiple Forex trading accounts. I have multiple cryptocurrency trading accounts. So I'm constantly moving stuff around, and if something happens with any one of them, I'll just switch to another one, if that makes sense. And it's the same thing with these companies, which are also income opportunities. L7 is not necessarily an income opportunity, but you do get a piece of when your referrals trade and they make profit, you get a little piece. And of course, you earn from your own trading. But it's not like an MLM, it's just a one-tiered affiliate program, let's just say. iCoin Pro, MLM, and again, I would suggest people starting at L7, working their account up to a certain amount, and then starting to withdraw. That money you withdraw, you can use that money you're withdrawing to help pay for iCoin Pro membership. Make sense? And as well as pay for your Power Lead System membership. I'm putting together a sales funnel basically to promote this whole plan. I think I may put this video inside of it. Now, the Power Lead System is how I promote this to other people without me actually having to have one-on-one conversations and three-way phone calls and blah, 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 blah. I just send people to the sales funnel, and then I host a weekly webinar once a week. And then I tell people, hey, if you use my system, invite your people to the webinar once a week so they can sign up and start doing the same thing. So this right here is all done through the Power Lead System, but you come through here, you click on it, you'll see how to create your crypto wallets, where to learn how to start trading with L7, and that's where we're going to start. We're going to start introducing people to L7. Once they get there and they kind of start figuring out how to make those daily trades, then we'll work their account up to a certain amount, withdraw. It doesn't have to be 0.3, but that's just a decent number for me. You get to a certain point, you start withdrawing, you use that money to pay for iCoin Pro membership. And there's one more, there's actually a couple more businesses that I will run in the background. And I'm going to just go ahead and throw them out here. Bitcoin Frontiers is another one. I like Bitcoin Frontiers because they kind of take what iCoin Pro is doing, but chunked down, smaller. The first product in Bitcoin Frontiers teaches you all the ins and outs and how to get a wallet and blah, blah, blah with Bitcoin. And the second product teaches you a super simple method of trading. iCoin Pro is a little bulky, I will admit. And by bulky, I mean they throw a lot of knowledge at you to simplify things. But some people, that may be too much. Some people just don't have a lot of time to go through all the modules. Some people may not have time to sit there and stare at crypto charts all day. If you're the type of person who wants to trade but doesn't want to sit in front of a computer all day long looking at charts, then Bitcoin Frontiers is the way you want to go. iCoin Pro teaches you how to do the day trading, get in and out, but you got to be in front of the charts or looking at their trade finder. Whereas Bitcoin Frontier, you sit down, look at a chart at the beginning of the week for like 2-3 minutes, and you'll figure out, all right, here's a trade, there's a trade, no trade, no trade, no trade, boom. Done just that quickly. I mean, it's just two different styles of trading. They both work, but if you don't have a lot of time and you want to still trade, then this is the company for you. And I do have a couple of passive programs on the back end, you know, Vexa Global, to name one. And so what I do is L7 is like the cash cow. And then once I just withdraw that daily money will help pay for my own personal trading accounts, pay for my iCoin Pro, pay for my Power Lead System, help me upgrade in all of my programs, get to the highest level in all of my programs, buy traffic. And so what happens is this money, and I should have drawn this all out. Again, everything off the top goes to my iCoin Pro, my Bitcoin Frontiers, my Vexa, anything else to include my marketing system, Power Lead System, and also traffic. That money will come down here into traffic, and that drives more people into my email list, and those people on my email list are eventually going to get hit with all of these different opportunities. And some people may join them all, some people may join one or two, some people may join everything and upgrade and everything, some people may join nothing. But when you get to that point, it's just, you're just constantly moving the money around, and that's basically what I'm doing, and I want the same thing for you. So that being said, if you want to learn more about my system, what I'm doing, click the link below the video. You should see this first, and then you'll start getting my emails, and you'll see how I lay everything out in place. So that being said, Rob Fraser here. Link is below. Questions, comments, concerns, leave them below the video. I'll see you in the next one.